So let's talk about male pain in divorce and custody when a man can't see his kids. When a man cannot see his kids and he is broken down to his minimum. Nothing's working for him. The courts are against him. He misses his son, his daughter, like you couldn't believe. And rather than fixing this problem, rather than fixing the pain, the abuse, the struggle, all these different things, he can't. He can't act out. He can't save his son or daughter from the pain they're experiencing. And at the same time, he's looked down upon by society and told that he's toxic or if he acts out in a certain way. This is part of the deserved male pain that should be given to him and felt because of women's suffering and the past and the patriarchy's control and feminism and yada, yada, yada. Look, I'm gonna tell you right now, men, your struggle is not political. It is not arguing with people online. It is not any of this lie that you're being sold to, but your struggle is learning how to get your kids back, to fix that, to fix it legally. And look, this is what I do with men. I've done it for 18 years. I have a very, very good record with it. Basically, if you start with me and you start your case with me, you get into my groups, you get into my courses, you get into the Rising Man, you are going to solve that problem. We are going to get you fair custody. We're going to make sure you don't live in one of the court system's horror stories. And it's going to be hard work. I'm going to tell you that. It's not some easy, quick fix. And if you're already in deep and you already have things that have been ruled upon, judges have given temporary orders and things like this, and you're walking back defending yourself, man, we can save you from it getting worse. But your male struggle is sacred. I want you to know that. I want you to understand that what you're feeling right now is a part of a beautiful thing that we can help lead you to and guide you in absolutely the right direction. Check out the links in my bio, get started with it. If you're not sure about our communities like the Rising Man, check out some of our courses. I have free material, all sorts of stuff for you to dive into. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if you want to do what is best for your children right now and you can't see them and you're going through that rage, get into our communities. It'll just be the easiest course of action for you to take with the closest thing of a guarantee that I can give you.